Oh my gosh, it's Friday the 13th today. Today kasi magpapalasik na ako ng eyes since yung grado ko ay nasa 400 na pala. And ilang years na rin ako nagsasalamin. Panahon na, 'di ba? Panahon na para magkaroon ng brand new eyes. Let's hope, let's pray. Maging successful itong LASIK surgery ko.
Good luck!
Ito na ang mga huling pagkakataon na makikita niyo ako nakasalamin. Excited na ako, na kinakabahan.
Makikita na niya yung tunay na kagwapuhan ko. Malabo na mata niya, nagwagwapuhan na siya sa akin.
Siguro, ito na yung panahon na magigising ako sa katotohanan. Bumili ako ng 400 mg sa pain reliever. Dahil naniniwala ako na hindi mataas ang pain tolerance ko.
Buti mag-refill ako.
5 minutes na lang, surgery ko na.
Yan na.
Kinakabahan ako. Super. Hindi ko alam ano ba itong pinasok ko. Dapat pala hindi na ako nagpa-laser. Nahihirapan na kasi ako magsalamin at contacts.
Baka lalo ka ma-inlove sa akin.
Ang alala ko, yung panganganak ko sa mga anak ko.
Bye, love. See you in 1 hour.
Bye, love.
Ferrari po. 21, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Tapos na? Oo, tapos na.
Nawala kilay mo.
Oh my God! Wala talaga ako kilay. Tinatakot ako doon sa nagbabibrate. Di ba sinabi? It was so scary. But natapos na.
Success.
Yeah. Sabi ni Doc, bawal magsalita, hindi ko kinaya. Okay, tapos na yung operation. Hindi ko pa masyado mamulat yung eyes ko, pero malinaw na yung paningin ko. Nakaka-happy!
Kasi di yan yung past.
Ayoko na. Sige na nga. Ow! Ako na lang magpapata.
Pwede ba?
Ang sweet talaga ng anak ko na to eh. Tulog. This is day 1. So, yan. My left eye. Right eye ko. So, antibiotic muna. First eye checkup. Are you scared pa? O, PT. Malinaw na yung mata ko. So this will be my life for the next 10 days. Shampoo na. Okay. Magutom ako.
Watch our deal.
I want to share with you guys yung mga preparations na ginawa ko before the big day. Number 1, and I think this is the most important, look for a reputable LASIK surgeon. Yes, and do your research. Number 2, stop wearing contact lenses. Kung napapansin niyo sa mga videos ko, almost 2 months siguro akong nakasalamin because I was preparing for my LASIK surgery. Hindi ko sinasabi to sa ibang tao. Ang nakakaalam lang na magpapalasik ako is my 2 close friends and yung family ko. Kasi ayoko siyang i-jinx. Nagte-tennis ako na nakasalamin. That's why I stopped playing tennis because it's very uncomfortable to play tennis when you're wearing glasses. Nahuhulog siya. Number 3, my doctor advised me to avoid wearing eye makeup a week before my surgery. Number 4 is to follow all your doctor's orders. Like, kung bibigay siya ng drops, sundin mo yon. Definitely, your doctor will give you drops weeks before your surgery to prepare your eyes for the big day. Number 5 is to stay hydrated. Number 6, on your big day, make sure may driver ka at may kasama ka na uuwi. Because it's so hard. It's really hard to walk with your eyes half open. It's not even half. Wala pang 1/4 yung nakabukas sa mata mo. So you need someone to guide you while you're walking. Number 7, make sure meron din mag-aalaga sa inyo after the surgery. Day 1 is the hardest. Day 1 yung pinakamasakit. Yung day 1 na yon, ang gagawin mo lang is puro tulog. Yung sleep talaga, yun yung gamot. Yun yung makakatulong sa'yo para mawala yung pain, para mag-heal yung flap. And number 7, prepare yourself for the most wonderful gift you've ever given yourself. To see the world clearly without your glasses, without wearing contact lenses. So the next day when you wake up, malinaw na yung mata mo. So this is your sign to get that LASIK surgery. So nasa Isabela na ako ngayon. So 4 days na since nagpa-LASIK ako. Nakikita ko naman may improvements with my vision, malaking improvement. But my right eye is not as clear as my left eye. So sa left eye, I'm very confident na 20/20 na talaga yung vision ko. But si right eye kasi medyo parang may pagka-foggy na parang blurry pa siya. I'm not complaining though, kasi talaga from 400 to this, diba? I'm very grateful and very thankful na sobrang linaw na ng mata ko. Though, ang downside lang is, I have to lubricate my eyes as often as I can. Like talagang ina-abuse ko yung lubricant drops ko. So hanggang ngayon, nag-glasses pa din ako. Pero this one kasi, This is my old glasses. Ang ginawa ko dito, pinatanggal ko yung grado. I brought it to EO and replaced it with walang grado. Ginagamit ko to kapag naiirita na ako dito. I use this kapag mag-wash ako ng face ko, pag mag-half bath ako. Ito gagamitin ko kasi talaga ipoprotect niya yung eyes. Lalabas ako, so magsusuot siguro ako ng shades because my eyes are very sensitive to light. Sabi ni Doc, dapat at least 3 times a day hinuhugasan yung mga salamin. And this is my favorite cap from Shop with Lay. So anyway, let's go to the laundry. These are all my labada. Na-sort out ko na to kagabi. Day 5, post-LASIK. Papasalon ako today. Pangatin na yung ulo ko. Best part of it all. Lagi ko nilulook forward to sa David's Kawayan. Nawagan ako sa SM, sana naman mag-improve po yung mga trolley and cart nyo. Kasi sobrang bigat. Hindi mabigat, sira yung gulong. Okay, so magkano ang ginastos ko for this procedure? Maraming mga test na kailangan gawin to make sure that my eyes are in very good condition. Para makasigurado na candidate pa talaga ako for LASIK. Yung mga test na ginawa are LASIK screening, OCT retina, perimetry, and glaucoma test. Ang ginastos ko sa LASIK screening is 3,500. For the OCT retina, perimetry, glaucoma test sa 9,510. Then meron yung reading fee na 1,300. Doctor's PF is around 50,000 pesos. The assistance fee is 10,000 pesos. LASIK fee or yung LASIK machine is around 53,000 pesos. The meds and the supplies, 4,657. Ang total niya is 131,977 pesos. So it's day 6 post-LASIK surgery. Nasa SCTEX na kami. Didiretso ako ng Vertis North because I have an appointment. Hi. Good morning. It's been a week since I got my LASIK surgery and I'm on my way today to UST Hospital for my eye checkup. Meron namang improvements with my vision. And ito nga lang right eye ko, meron ako nararamdaman na konting pressure. So itatanong ko kay Doc, bakit ko nafe-feel yun? Consistent pa rin ako with my eye drops. Malalaman ko rin today kung tuloy-tuloy pa rin ba yung mga meds ko for my eyes. Hindi ko pa kayang i-prolong yung use ng phone ko. Phone, TV, and ayoko na expose yung mata ko sa too much light, too much sunlight. So I always make sure that whenever I go out, nagsa-sunglasses talaga ako kasi sobrang sakit niya sa mata.
And parang umaabot na rin yung pain sa ulo ko, nagkakos na rin siya ng headache. So I still have to wear the protective glasses at night because we don't know, baka mamaya ma-scratch ko yung eyes ko, or baka mamaya matulog ako ng nakatagilid. So I just want my eyes to stay protected so it will heal properly so I could go back to my routine, playing tennis, cooking, working out, and playing with my kids. So ayan, alis na ako. So it's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go to my OB first and then UST. So balitaan ko kayo kung ano sabihin ni Doc. Bye!
So I'm here at the Eye Institute sa UST. I'm just waiting for my doctor to arrive, for Dr. Rivera. Then after kay Dr. Rivera, yung mismong eye doctor ko na yung mag-check sa akin later, which is si Dr. Havate. I'm done with my eye check-up. Hindi ko na video yung whole process. Nakalimutan ko. I'm so sorry, guys. I just got home from the hospital and guess what? My eyes are healing well. Yes. Walang gasgas, walang foreign object na nakapasok. So, na-maintain ko talaga siya, naingatan ko talaga siya. Nagdagdag lang ng isang gamot si Doc, which is the Hylogel. Kasi nga, grabe mag-dry tong mata ko. Nag-start ako mag-drop nung Hylogel. Nawala yung eye pressure. Also have to go back every week kay Doc para ma-monitor namin tong healing progress ko. Ang advice lang ni Doc, bawal pa rin ako magluto, mag-exercise, bawal mag-makeup. I still have to wear my protective glasses. Bawal mag-swimming for a year. Bawal malagyan ng water yung loob ng eyes ko. Bawal magpagupit for 2 months. No hair treatment for 2 months. And that's it. I'm very, very happy with my eyes. Kung naghahanap ka ng sign, if you're gonna do LASIK, ito na yon. This is your sign na ituloy mo na yung pangarap mo na luminaw yung mata mo. Kasi for me, this is the best decision I've ever made. Mahirap sa umpisa, pero habang tumatagal, marirealize mo na worth it yung sacrifices na mga ginawa mo. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching my vlog. I know, hindi ako talented sa pag-vlog. Pero gusto ko lang din talaga i-share yung journey ko na ito. If you have any questions, kung may mga hindi ako na-include dito sa vlog na information, comment down below kasi sasagot naman ako. I'll try to answer all of your questions. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me also on Instagram, Facebook, and I'm also on TikTok. Thank you and bye!